Have you ever wondered how the music we listen to can shape our mood, almost like an unseen force guiding our emotional state? It's a question that taps into something deeply human, our connection to sound and emotion.
From lullabies that soothe a crying baby to adrenaline-pumping beats that energize us for a workout, music has this extraordinary ability to influence how we feel in a moment and even over the long term. This isn't just about entertainment. It's about understanding a tool that can transform lives.
Studies show that music can boost mental health, helping us feel happier, calmer, or more focused. Yet, it can also have a darker side. Certain genres, lyrics, or rhythms can deepen feelings of sadness or anxiety, sometimes intensifying stress rather than alleviating it. Recognizing this dual power makes us more conscious of our listening choices and their potential effects. Picture someone battling depression who turns to uplifting melodies, or an athlete who uses an energetic playlist to push beyond limits. These real stories reveal how music acts as a kind of emotional therapy, offering hope and resilience in difficult times. Conversely, consider how listening to heavy, sorrowful tracks during vulnerable moments might reinforce negative feelings. Both sides paint a complex picture of music's influence, a delicate balance of science and personal experience. The emotional surge that music provides isn't just fleeting. It can create lasting changes. Relaxing tunes might lower stress levels and promote better sleep, while anthems of empowerment can inspire confidence and motivation. That's the wonder of music. It taps into our deepest places, stirring awe and wonder at how something so simple can wield such powerful influence over our mental landscape. The science behind this phenomenon is equally fascinating. Researchers categorize music based on how it arouses or calms, its emotional tone, and structural qualities like tempo and tonality. These elements trigger specific emotional responses: happiness, sadness, peace, that are rooted in our brain chemistry and neural pathways. Understanding these triggers helps us harness music consciously for healing or growth. Yet, the impact of music isn't always positive. There are risks. Certain music can exacerbate anxiety or deepen depression, especially if it echoes our negative feelings. Long-term exposure to distressing lyrics or aggressive genres might entrench negative mental states, turning music into a double-edged sword. Being aware of this helps us choose more intentionally what we listen to, turning music into a source of strength rather than harm. Engaging with music actively, whether through dancing, singing, or just mindful listening, can directly improve our mental and physical well-being. Programs involving movement or communal singing have shown positive outcomes for conditions like dementia or postpartum depression, illustrating music's ability to foster connection and recovery. These stories remind us that music isn't just background noise, but a vital part of our emotional and social health. In the end, the relationship between music and mood is deeply personal and profoundly impactful. It's a reminder that we hold the power to shape our emotional landscape with the choices we make. Whether you're seeking comfort, motivation, or catharsis, music can be a partner in your journey. So keep listening consciously and let the melodies you choose illuminate the path to a brighter, more balanced you.